Tornado emergency for City of Knox. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for Central Stark County in northwestern Indiana until 9 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Knox, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the City of Knox. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Knox around 8:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Britham's and Bass Lake. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.